Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So I am back today with another mascara review. So if you subscribe to my channel, then you know I did the comparison between the Mary Kay and the Maybelline. Well, I had one of my subscribers comment on the video and she said that there is more to Mary Kay and that I didn't adequately use all the features of the Mary Kay mascara. So today I am only going to focus on Mary Kay and see if my subscriber is right. So let's go. I definitely see more length with Mary Kay Lash Love. Just looking up here at this part, definitely looks like it made my eyelashes look a lot longer. They are both cute, but yeah, I like it. So okay, random subscriber, you better get me together, girl. She said, no, you're not doing it right. But thank you, honestly, I do love it. I do like it a lot better than I did the first time. And I'm actually gonna have to go back and watch the first video I did. I don't remember how I actually applied it. So I'm gonna go back and watch that. And I'll link that to this video as well so you guys can go back and see it. But yeah, okay, yeah. I really like it and thank you guys so much for watching my channel. Make sure you let me know in the comments which one you guys like the best. And also make sure you subscribe to my channel. And thank you to everyone who has already subscribed to my channel. I'm working on some really great content for you guys and I can't wait for you to see it. So make sure you subscribe and I will see you next time. Peace.